Moin Moin, Marina is here. In this video I'll show you how I made a small diorama as a birthday gift to my dad. My dad has been into camping and rafting all his life, so I decided to make a small diorama with a river. I cut cardboard for size what I need and glue on top of it 2 pieces of foam board. There will be waterfall in the river, so one part is a little higher. I marked where the river would be and made the recess in this place. I covered the diorama just like I did in the stray video and added rocks and sand until the base was dry. For stones, I used stones from the nearest park because it's free. When the base is dry, I cover the parts without sand with PVA glue and pour some earth there to imitate the earth. It is important that all natural materials should be washed if possible and dried well. I decided to add reeds or something like that to the water. To do this I took cheap brushes for painting. I just cut off small bunches and glue them to the diorama. I glue the plastic to the edges of the diorama using UV resin. After pouring, it will not be visible. Then I mix epoxy resin, add dye to it and fill the river. I wanna make few trees to this diorama. I make them from thin wire, take a few pieces, twist them together and cut off the excess. Then I wrap the tree with strip of corrugated paper. I didn't have brown, so I used green. After that I paint the trees with brown acrylic. I make tree foliage from moss for dioramas. I just put glue on the branches and dip tree in the moss. When the epoxy has hardened, I remove the plastic. So nice sound. The grass needs to be cut so it looks more realistic. The epoxy has soaked into the sand, so I covered the damaging part of the river bank with PVA glue and pour fresh sand on top of it. To imitate a waterfall, I took a transparent texture paste and applied it in strokes to a piece of plastic so that I could peel it off when it's dry. I glue the resulting stripes to the diorama and I apply the texture to the water using the same paste. When everything is dry, I apply grass. To be honest, I'm not sure I need to say what I'm doing here, it's already been past videos. But I wanted to say something. 100 subscribers, thank you so much guys. I know that for YouTube it's not so big numbers, but it's really important for me. I glue the trees in place and add some moss and flowers. After that I decorate the edges of the diorama in the same way as I did the base. For the final touch, I made a small fire pit and made a tent and a catamaran like we had when I was a child. I also added a bit padding polyester to the base of the waterfall to make it look like a splash in water. And the final result? Thank you for watching, let me know what you think about it in the comments, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Tschüss!